how can we connect Zeppelin to Apache Geode using the Calcite Geode JDBC driver that I've been working on recently. First things, let's register the JDBC driver using the interpreter configuration panel, JDBC. This is the generic Zeppelin JDBC driver. Let's go to edit mode. We're going to benefit from the dependency injections capabilities in Zeppelin, practically providing the Maven reference of our Calcite Geode JDBC driver. In this case, at the moment, it's resolved from the local Maven repository. Then next, we have to provide the class name of the driver. It's Calcite JDBC driver. Username and password are admin, and our model is the JSON file that points how to connect to the local to the Geode cluster and which regions to explore. So this is the location. We have a Geode cluster running locally, and we would like to explore the region called ZIPS. This region contains the information about the populations in the biggest cities in US and the states they belong to. So there is some special information as well. Let's use this configuration file model, and this should help us configure the JDBC driver. Before we jump into Zeppelin, let's explore the content of the local ZIPS region. Connect, list regions. There are a couple preloaded regions we'll be interested in the ZIPS. So let's see how the content looks like, the city names, the coordinate. This is an array with the latitude and longitude of the city, the population size, and the state in the city is located in. Let's check the size of this region. Okay, 30,000 entries, not bad. Now let's see if we can explore the same region but now using the JDBC driver. Let's create a new node, call it ZIPS, and of course our preferred interpreter is, and default one would be the JDBC. Let's just check the connectivity. Select everything from it's important to see how the schema to connect to our database is called Geode row, and the region and table would be ZIPS. So Geode row ZIPS, and I didn't like the separation. Okay, in fact we can see that it's the same data here. One slightly better visualize the locations and the population states. I already have the basics. Let's use this and build on top of it and do something a little bit more sophisticated. The first thing we might want to do is to do some group by state and see state, the total population per state. Okay, we have now we can try to visualize it a little bit. California with 29 millions is leading. Let's do it a little bit prettier as total, and now order by total. Configure the graphics. Something else. So it is values. Now, yeah, the progression is good. What else we can do? We can visualize using the bar chart. Again, California stands ahead, front. Let's try to do some other slices. We can, if you remember, our main data contains spatial attributes, which is the longitude and latitude. Let's try to plot this and see where the biggest cities are located on the map. Okay, we can again copy and save some effort. Location, so this is supported. Location is long. And the second coordinates is longitude, sorry. Also would like to know the state. Let's see. Okay, we already have something. Where is the map we can use? This is one. We need to configure it, of course. Latitude, longitude. Okay, we can even add because this is per city. Actually, we'd be more interested to see the city name, city, and also the population. This can be the okay. So we can browse it, but as you can see, this is a little bit random. Let's add a predicate where the population is only we're interested about from the bigger cities, so 70,000 people. Why don't we can even leverage the Zeppelin dynamic forms. Population threshold. Okay, see, nice. Now we can. This would reduce, and opposite if we reduce the smaller city 50,000, please. Much more. Okay, maybe it's too much. What else we may want to visualize? We have the cities, the states, and the populations. Another interesting slice might be to explore the relationship between number of cities and the populations. Okay, again select from Geode row zips dataset. Okay. again group by state, but now we would like to see the sum of populations per state, as well as count of cities per state. Okay, and category would be the city itself, the state itself. Let's see how this would look like. The population, city, and state. Yeah, you can actually pick the bubble. Total population, country, state, and actually state can be here as well. This is slightly better. Yeah.